I'm going to spill a secret that might actually change how you think about Gurgaon real estate market. While some people are still stuck in chasing Golf Course Road, Extension Road, but smart investors are moving towards Sona Road, which is the new growth of Gurugram. And right at the center of this growth is Elan the Statement in Sector 49. So here's the seamless connectivity of Elan the Statement in Sector 49. As you can see, यहाँ पूरा map बना हुआ है. Bang on Sona Road, Coast Road, 10 minutes to Golf Course Extension Road and NH8, and roughly about 20 minutes to Dwarka Expressway and 25 minutes to IGA Airport. बट यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो एलान के इस पूरे मैप में यू कैन सी यहाँ पे कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस भी है, एलान पैराडाइज सेक्टर 50 में भी है, एलान एम्पायर सेक्टर 66, एलान टावर सेंटर इन सेक्टर 67, एलान एपिक इन सेक्टर 70, देन हियर कम्स एलान मिराकल इन सेक्टर 84, एलान इंपीरियल अ होल न्यू वर्ल्ड इन सेक्टर 82. सो द बेस्ट कनेक्टिविटी आपको एलान ही दे सकता है. Elan the Statement is an ultra-luxury residential development spread across 6 acres. Phase 1 offers spacious 4 BHK homes and penthouses across 5 towers. Sizes ranges up to 7,500 square feet. And how can we not talk about the lifestyle they are offering you? They have more than 90,000 plus square feet clubhouse with all the amenities like pool, gym, spas, everything, you name it, and they have it. Designed by Binoy London, Elan the Statement features a striking metal and glass facade, giving it a global identity. It's a design language that reflects modern luxury and sets the project apart from the conventional residential development in Gurgaon. So 30% now, 10% at 20th floor, 25% you have to pay at superstructure, 25% on application of OC, and 10% on possession. Elan the Statement is not just a random luxury address, it's a very calculated move towards Gurugram future. Price starts at 11 CR onwards with PLP payment plan.